Well, today I'm going to do a cold start on the ramp truck. I haven't had it running for quite a while, probably a couple months. And it's a good time to start it, I guess. Need to charge the battery in it. It's still up. Let's start. Tighten up the hood. Had to go grab a wrench so I can tighten the battery cable down. See if I can do this with one hand. Hope the battery's still up. Might have went dead, who knows. Check the oil, it's still up. Antifreeze a little low. Looks like there's something seeping out of the thermostat housing by the gasket. Fix that, but she's cold. Been running in maybe a couple months. See what happens. Sure it's in neutral. Buzzer's working, got a little juice. I'll just turn it over first. It'll fuel up to the carb. Bumper. Yeah, at least the battery was up. The oil pressure. I don't know if it'll idle. It does not have a choke on it. Wired open. Mostly because they didn't really plan on driving this when it's cold out, but you never know what you need to do in bad weather. Mine has a Flowmaster sound good. I'll let it run for a little bit here and help charge the battery a little more. Like I say, it's probably been 2 months since this has been running. And she took right off. So. And that should do it for the cold start.